Meaning of Guy Fawkes.
Guy Fawkes.
Guy Fawkes.
Guy Fawkes.
Guy Fawkes. Guy Fawkes was a member of a group of English Catholics who attempted to blow up the Houses of Parliament on November 5, 1605. The plot, known as the Gunpowder Plot, aimed to kill King James I and other Protestants in order to put a Catholic monarch on the throne. Fawkes was tasked with guarding the explosives but was caught and subsequently executed. Today, Guy Fawkes is often associated with anti-establishment movements due to his iconic mask being used by the online activist group Anonymous and in the graphic novel and film V for Vendetta.